Welcome back, humble traders. Today I'll be doing a technical breakdown on iFast, ticker symbol AIY. Before I begin, remember take a second to give the video a like and subscribe as it will greatly help out the channel. Do note that I do not provide any buy or sell calls, but focus on potential traps laid out by the market makers. Without further ado, let's take a look at iFast. So iFast is currently down about 5 to 6% today, and currently the market is open. Due to weak earnings, the market did not take things positively. You can see that it is currently holding this 520 support, which turned as a form of double bottom. You can see that it was the bottom here, and now currently is being holding this 520 support as well. However, if you look at the trend, it's currently down. It's below these particular clouds. So if you can see on the uptrend, charts and the candlesticks will be above this cloud area, and on a downtrend, the clouds will be below this cloud area. So it's not a good indication that if you were to buy on a downtrend, the stock is likely to continue to follow its trend. So you can see on the uptrend, there will be corrective waves. So these corrective waves are opportunities to add your positions. So corrective wave, opportunities to add your positions, and corrective wave, opportunities to add your positions. Only until we have a reversal pattern at a double top, then it looks like iFast has went to a downtrend. So currently now on a downtrend, it's likely that rebounds are opportunities to get out. Rebounds are opportunities to get out. And just recently, you can see that we hit this cloud resistance here at around $6. So it's a very similar situation on the uptrend where we see the cloud act as a support, cloud act as a support, cloud act as a support. On the downtrend, the cloud will act as a resistance. So that's not a good sign for iFast. Is it a time to enter now? I say definitely it's not. Yes, in the short run, we may see typical rebounds. But if you can see this cloud area here, it is currently around $5.80 to $6. So even if we do rebound, I'm afraid it may just be a dead cat bounce. In the long run, we are still creating lower lows, lower highs, and also lower highs. If we were to reject off these $5.80, $6 psychological levels here. So it will definitely still go down for iFast unless there is a catalyst or the market sentiments were to improve. Let's take a look at this first wave down. You can see that this first wave down is met by the second wave down, and we see some bounce here. And this second wave here, first wave is from all the way from the top $10 all the way to a low of $7. And you can see that this wave pattern, once again, we saw a bounce here. So currently the market is pretty weak, and in the event that we have a second corrective wave down, I'm looking at this $4 psychological support. Of course, before this 520 were to break, we'll be looking at this $5 psychological support here, which will likely to be broken. Of course, there may be some stop hunting at around 490, 480 before pushing the stock back up for a short-term rebound. But profit taking will come in and sellers will still dominate. And if you were to break down, then this $5 psychological support may be the next support. Let's take a look at the Fibonacci to get a better idea of where exactly other potential supports coming in. So you can see on these Fibonacci levels, from a low of around 60 cents to a high of around 10.10. As of now, this 540 is acting as its 50% Fibonacci support levels. And if you were to break down, highly likely, we will be retreating down to these 430 levels. So once again, on a downtrend, stocks would have a rebounds, but rebounds are opportunities to clear your positions, either to take profit as a short-term trader or to cut your losses as a long-term investor. So if there's any changes, I'll give you guys an update. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe as you keep the uptrend channel intact. Leave a comment below if you have any other stock tier requests. Till we meet again, appreciate the manipulation.